Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of beauty related content such as makeup trends, makeup tutorials. I also have a series called Netflix and Makeup where I explain and talk about my opinion while doing makeup of Netflix trending movies and shows. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, definitely suggest subscribing. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a little tutorial on how to do that kind of lash hack from TikTok of when people apply their lashes underneath their lash line. So like in their tight line, kind of like under their lashes, you know what I'm saying? So I actually tried this out for the first time a little while ago, and I decided that I wanted to make a video on it because it was really interesting. I thought it was cool, and it really makes your lashes look natural. I've always wanted to get lash extensions, but I also am afraid. I have a bad experience with lash extensions just because I did them on myself once and it was just not a fun time. I was stupid. Don't suggest doing that. Go to a professional. Some things we can't do ourselves, you know? Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I apply my lashes underneath my lashes in my tight line, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. The lashes that I decided to use today are gonna be these dusty lashes. These are from the brand Unscripted, which is by the YouTuber Crispy. If you guys know her, she's my favorite makeup YouTuber. When I started watching makeup tutorials on YouTube, I found her through her Halloween makeup tutorial and she just became my favorite beauty guru. So I had to support her when her lash line came out, but I think she just killed it. I think it's gone now. I'm so sorry, but I thought that these lashes would be perfect because they actually kind of look like really natural lash extensions. So I wanted to do this kind of hack with this, but you can definitely use any type of lash that you want. So the purpose of doing this lash hack is to make your lashes look like they're naturally coming out of your eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Please don't mind my hair. It's like I air dried it and I slept on it weird, so sorry. I just went ahead and applied some mascara, and I brought you guys in a little bit closer just in case you didn't notice. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some lash glue onto my lashes. So this is the Boldface Lash Glue. I like this lash glue a lot because it is really sticky. And also this is the black one. They do have a clear one. The fact that this lash glue is really sticky is just like, it just makes it so much easier to apply, because if your lashes are flopping around when you are putting them on, it's just annoying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lash glue. Alright, and this is my eyelash, and I'm going to apply the lash glue toward the top. Or when I would apply the lashes on the top of my eyes above my lash line, I would apply the lash glue on the lash band, but now we're going to apply it on the top of the lash band, and I really hope that you can see, but I really feel like you can't. I'm so sorry. Apply the lash glue toward the top of the lashes because this is going to be the point of contact. Okay, also less is more. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. Lash, like the front and the top, okay? I'm so sorry if this is like a terrible tutorial, but this is kind of important. So I'm applying the glue at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and then let that get a little bit tacky, a little bit sticky. So now the trick to applying this effortlessly, I feel like, is you definitely have to have really sticky glue because that's just gonna make it a lot easier. You also want to have your mirror, okay? And you want to flip your mirror. You want to flip the mirror. You want to flip the mirror to the side like this. So usually my mirror is like this, but you want to flip it under so you can see what's going on under your eye, alright? Sorry that this tutorial is garbage. So I want to see what's going on under the lash line over here. Then I'm going to take my eyelash, okay, And I'm also gonna kind of like bend it. This is what I usually do no matter how I'm doing my lashes, but I like to bend them just to make sure that they're curvy, that they're gonna match my eye shape. And this is also gonna make it easier to apply. Then when I apply them, I'm gonna take my finger and kind of like lift up my eye like this while also looking down, and I'm gonna apply the lash to the middle. And I'm just sticking the eyelash to the hairs, to my eyelash hairs. So I'm not really sticking it to the skin or like the actual tight line, but I'm sticking it to my eyelash hairs. Okay, and boom, it's on. So at this point, I'm just going to take my fingers and just squeeze the lash band just so that I'm making as much contact with my natural lashes and the lash band as possible, so that it will really stay and like stick and it won't go anywhere. And then you just want to like adjust it and make sure it's not like poking you or anything, and that is basically it. So I just applied my lash, right, and this is what it should look like. So you can see my lid, like you can't see the lash band at all. That is the purpose, and I think it looks really, really cute. So like I said, these lashes look pretty natural. They kind of look like lash extensions, so these are the ones that I went for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna like curve my lash, make sure my mirror is tilted, and I'm going to kind of lift my eye up, and then just secure the middle, secure the end, and then secure the beginning. Alright, and then you're just gonna squish them together. And like I said, you can adjust it to make sure that it is symmetrical with the other one, but you can't see the lash band at all. That is so cool. Also, when I do this, I do like to take some liner and just put it under my tight line, so just so that like you really, really can't see the lash band. So here is the difference. Like with this one, you can kind of see my skin, and then with this one, you really can't. So I rarely ever do this, but when I do put my lashes under my lash line, I do like to line my tight line. Okay, so this is the final look. That was super, super easy to do. Here are my lashes from the top and the side and the front and the other side. So I feel like it looks really natural, and you cannot see the lash band at all. I also want to recommend trimming your lashes to fit your eye shape so that like at the end it won't be sticking out or it won't be going in too far unnaturally, because the whole point of this whole technique is to make your lashes look natural. So this is what I would look like if I had lash extensions. Okay, I am liking it a lot. That was basically it. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions, if there was anything that I missed. I'm so sorry if this tutorial was hard to follow. I apologize, but it was really that that simple, to be honest. So that was it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up as well if it did help you out. Also subscribe if you haven't already. You can go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias. It will be in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!